Recently, there has been a lot of news about how chloroquine and hydroxychloroquine could be helpful in the treatment of COVID-19, the illness caused by the SARS-CoV-2 virus now racing across the planet. First, let's know what are these drugs used for. Chloroquine has been long used to treat malaria and amebiasis. However, Plasmodium falciparum developed widespread resistance to it, and with the development of new antimalarials, it has become a choice for the prophylaxis of malaria. Hydroxychloroquine sulfate is a derivative of chloroquine, and it was first synthesized in 1946 by introducing a hydroxyl group into chloroquine and was demonstrated to be much less toxic than chloroquine in animals with about 40%. More importantly, hydroxychloroquine is still widely available to treat autoimmune diseases such as systemic lupus erythematosus and rheumatoid arthritis. Since chloroquine and hydroxychloroquine share similar chemical structures and mechanisms of action as weak bases and immunomodulators, it is easy to conjure up the idea that hydroxychloroquine may be a potent candidate to treat infection by SARS-CoV-2. On March 16th, a renowned infectious disease specialist, Didier Raoult, announced the results of a small clinical trial in France showing that patients receiving a combination of hydroxychloroquine and a common antibiotic azithromycin had notably lower levels of the virus in their bloodstream than those who did not receive the medication. Several scientists around the globe said that this study brings hope. Nonetheless, it does not prove that the regimen actually works. Furthermore, Dr. Anthony Fauci, the infectious disease expert spearheading the U.S. response to the coronavirus pandemic, called the evidence for the treatment anecdotal. You really cannot make any definitive statement about it, he told the reporters. Next time, we will look into why exactly hydroxychloroquine could work on SARS-CoV-2, although it is anti-malaria. We will also get to know the different pathways of entry of SARS-CoV-2 into the cell. We will also talk about how hydroxychloroquine is effective against one entry pathway and not the other. This will help in understanding why hydroxychloroquine is not effective when used in treating many COVID-19 patients. So, thank you for listening and stay tuned.